of your movies.
That's it. Which is the best one? Which is the best one?
I can't remember anything. I'm blanking so hard. I'm sorry, but I am the biggest fan.
That guy was speechless, lost for words. I love his responses, his reactions. This week, I'm back into tutorial fashion, so I'm going to be talking about a certain subject of, do you need other people to interact with? Do you need props when you're doing street hypnosis? Interesting question. I wonder what the answer is. See you inside. Hi there, my name is Turna Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist, and every week I show you a street hypnosis clip and then discuss some aspect of hypnosis, street hypnosis or therapy, involving that clip. So this week I'm going to be talking about, do you need props? Do you need people to interact with? Do you need props to work in street hypnosis or even therapy in that matter? Because right now I'm going to talk about both street hypnosis and the therapeutic use of props and or other people. So this week you're going to see a guy that's already been hypnotized, and he's been hypnotized to believe that this person here is actually this person here. Adam Sandler. Do they look alike? I don't know. I don't think so. But in hypnosis, he's been given that suggestion that he sees Adam Sandler, and he 100% believes he's talking to and interacting with Adam Sandler. So the question is, did I need to involve someone else in that process? The answer is no, you don't need to. I could have pointed to some empty space and said, when you awake, you'll see Adam Sandler standing over there by the wall, over there by the fountain, wherever, and you'll start interacting with him. You'll shake his hand, you'll get excited about it. But obviously, from an entertainment point of view, and hopefully you agree when you watch this video, the girl added an extra element as she played out that role of Adam Sandler. And spectators always get involved, they always join in. There's never a problem in terms of selecting someone. And that interaction, I think, adds something to the dynamics of not just the street hypnosis entertainment, but his interactions as a whole. So my real answer is, do you need props? I think you do. I think it adds value to it. Technically speaking, you don't, because the mind is that powerful. I mean, let's face it, and I don't mean this with any disrespect here, she's a lovely lady, but she didn't look like Adam Sandler one bit. But he's seen and interacts with her as if she is 100% Adam Sandler. He gets embarrassed by it, he gets flustered by it. You're gonna love this video when you see it. So using props, and I mentioned the idea of using props and other people in a therapeutic setting, and again the answer is yes. Now, I don't necessarily bring someone else into the therapy room to interact, but I will give suggestions that will make the individual look around them in their environment, look at other people and see how those other people are reacting to them differently now that they have changed. And that becomes a very positive loop in terms of the way they change and behave themselves when they see other people interacting differently around them. So again, even in the therapeutic setting, props are good and should be utilized, not necessarily at the time. You might not need to do it at the time, but they do add value. So I hope you like this little bit of a tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from Feel Good Hypnosis. And if you have any comments or questions about this video, something you see in this video coming up that I maybe didn't discuss in this tutorial, but you would like a tutorial on that section, leave it in the comment section below. If you don't have any questions, just tell us how much you loved this video. Tell me what your favorite part of his responses was, because there's lots of different elements and responses from this guy. You really will love him. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. But in the meantime, let's see the clip.
There you go, that was easy.
Yeah.
I mean, who could forget how to put a jacket on? There you're right. You alright?
Yeah. Thank you.
There you go. And by the way, who's your favourite movie star? Who would you really like to meet? If you could meet anyone here.
Oh, that's a good question.
Star Wars fan, Harrison Ford, or
I guess Adam Sandler.
Adam Sandler. Oh, he's a great comedian. Great comedian. And sleep now, way down, deeper, relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel. The more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down even deeper still. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes, and you're going to see a girl in with blue arms and a white white shoes on, but that is not a girl. That is Adam Sandler. Oh my goodness. You're going to realise that second from the end of the row there is Adam Sandler. That is your favourite movie star, and you're going to go over there, you're going to tell him, you're going to get really excited, feel that excitement coming into your belly. You get that real excitement of just going over and telling Adam Sandler what you think of him, tell him what movies you like him in most, and you're going to get really excited to have met Adam Sandler today. You're going to ask for your friends to get a selfie with you and Adam Sandler. You're going to ask for his autograph. Oh my goodness, feel the excitement building up inside, getting higher and higher and higher, that excitement, that buzz. You might even jump up and down, I don't know, just to show off to Adam how much you love him. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Wow, who's that? Is that, it is, isn't it? Who is that? Isn't it? Did you know he was here today at QCon? It is, isn't it? Who's that? Am I mistaken? Who's that?
It's Adam Sandler.
It is Adam Sandler. Go over, say hi. Get his autograph. It is, look, Adam.
I did not know you were in the Belfast.
Stand up, Adam. Stand up. Wow, tell him. It is him, isn't it?
I am speechless.
I am speechless. I didn't know he was going to be at QCon. Wow.
You have QCon.
Have a good time.
Wow, special guest appearance. What movie? Tell him, what movies did you like best? Oh, isn't this so cool?
I'm blanking right now.
Oh, which movies? Which movies? Oh, there's so many good ones. Oh, imagine meeting Adam Sandler. Get his autograph. Get his autograph. Here.
I think I've got a pen.
There's a Sharpie. Do you want him to sign your arm? Would you do that? There you go. Sign. There you go. Wow, Adam Sandler. Wow. You have. I know.
It's so random.
It's his. Get a selfie. Where's your friends with the cameras? Come on, put your arm around. Put your arm. That's your pen. Put it back. Wow.
We'll take a photo. We'll take photos of Adam Sandler for you.
Wow. Put your arm. There you go. Adam Sandler. Oh, cool. Wow.
You look amazing.
Isn't that amazing?
Beautiful. I'll send them to you.
Wow. Who would have known that Adam Sandler was going to be here at QCon? Aren't you so grateful that you came to Adam to see QCon today? Look at this.
Oh no.
I know. I mean, of all the places.
I'm sorry you have to see me like this, but like I'm wearing bandages and stuff. I just love your movie.
That's it. Which is the best one? Which is the best one?
I can't remember anything. I'm blanking so hard. I'm sorry, but I am the biggest fan. I swear.
Wow. Wow. How do you do, Adam? I'm going to shake his hand. Like, shake his hand. Wow.
Thank you so much for leaving. Like your movie
You're welcome.
really like uplifted me when I was in the last.
Brilliant, beautiful story, Adam. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? Wow. Look at me, and sleep way down, deeper, relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go, drifting and sinking down even deeper still.
Was that fun? Did you give it a thumbs up? Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big subscribe button and that bell notification button if you haven't already, so you get notified when the next video comes out. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what part of that did you just like. As I said, if you want to see more of this guy, this video coming up next, this is Induction into Hypnosis, and you're going to love it too. So click through and watch it next. See you next week.